Allahabad High Court judgment. Get ready. Start. Point 4. A glance at Article 243G would crystallize that the legislature of a state has been ceded the power of Indo, the panchayats, by law panchayat, with such powers and authority as may be necessary to enable them to function as institutions of self-government, and such law, it is further envisaged therein, may contain provisions for the devolution of powers and responsibilities upon panchayats at the appropriate level with respect to within bracket A the preposition of plans for economic development and social justice, and within bracket B the implementation of schemes for economic development and social justice as may be entrusted to them, including those in relation to the matters listed in the 11th scheduled, health and sanitation, including hospitals, primarily health centers and dispensaries, family welfare and women and child development, are the matters enumerated respectively at item numbers 23, 24, and 25 of the 11th schedule of the Constitution, full stop, with instead the actualization the objectives engrafted in Article 243G of the Constitution, the state legislature enacted UP Panchayat Raj within bracket Amendment Act 27 of 1999, whereby the following sections came to be substituted in place of sections 25 and 25A of the United Provisions Panchayat Raj Act, 1947. 25, within bracket 1, notwithstanding anything contained in any other provisions of this Act, any Uttar Pradesh Act, Rules Act, Regulation Act, or bylaws, or in any judgment, decree or other of court, within bracket 1, the state government may, by general or special order, transfer any employee or class of employees serving in connection with the affairs of the state to serve under Gram Panchayats with such designation as may be specified in the order, and thereupon posting of this employee or employees in Gram Panchayats of a district shall be made by such authority in such manner as may be notified by the state government, full stop, within bracket B the employee or employees on being so transferred and posted in the Gram Panchayat, shall serve under the supervision and control of the Gram Panchayat on the same terms and conditions and with the same rights and privileges as to retreatment, benefits and other matters, including promotion, as would have to be applicable to him immediately before such transfer, and shall perform such duties as may be specified from time to time by the state government, full stop, within bracket 2, subject to the provisions of subsection within bracket I, a Gram Panchayat may, after prior approval of the prescribed authority, appoint from time to time such employee as may be considered necessary for efficient discharge or its functions under this act in accordance with such procedure as may be prescribed, full stop, provided that the Gram Panchayat shall not create any post except with the previous approval of the prescribed authority, full stop, within bracket 3, the Gram Panchayat shall have power to impose punishment of any description upon the employees appointed under subsection within bracket 2, subject to such conditions and restrictions and in accordance with such procedure as may be prescribed full stop within bracket 4. The Gram Panchayat may delegate to the Pradhan or to any of its committee, comma, subject to such conditions and restrictions as may be prescribed, comma, the power to impose any minor punishment upon the employees appointed under subsection within bracket 2 full stop within bracket 5. An appeal from an order imposing any punishment on the employee under subsection within bracket 3 shall lie to such officer or committee as may be specified by the state government by notification full stop within bracket 6. The prescribed authority may, comma, subject to such conditions as may be prescribed, comma, transfer any employees referred to in clause within bracket B of subsection within bracket I from one Gram Panchayat to any other Gram Panchayat within the same district, and the state government or such other officer as may be empowered in this behalf by the state government may similarly transfer any such employee from one district to another full stop within bracket 7. A Navya Panchayat may, comma, with the previous approval of the prescribed authority, comma, appoint any person on its staff in the manner prescribed full stop. The person so appointed shall be under the administrative control of the prescribed authority, who shall have power to transfer, comma, punish, suspend, comma, discharge or dismiss him full stop within bracket 8. Appeal shall lie from an order of the prescribed authority punishing, comma, suspending, comma, discharging or dismissing a person under subsection within bracket 7 to an authority appointed in this behalf by the state government full stop. 25A, comma, the state government, comma, or such officer or authority as may be empowered by it in this behalf shall appoint a secretary from among the employees referred in clause within bracket B of subsection within bracket 1 or subsection within bracket 2 of section 25, comma, who shall act as secretary of such Gram Panchayat or Gram Panchayats, comma, the Gram Panchayats within whose territorial limits such Gram Panchayats are situated, and perform such other duties as may be prescribed by the state government or such officer or authorities such may be empowered in such behalf by the state government full stop.